Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. Allow me on behalf of our Group 7 to introduce our presentation on the result of our survey titled Exploring AI Integration in English Language Teaching, Perception of Educators on Advantages and Challenges. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Indah Auliana Salihat, and I will moderate today's presentation. We will discuss several aspects of our survey. First, statement of the problem. Second, research question. Third, methodology. Fourth, participants. Fifth, finding. And the last, conclusion and recommendation. So, without any further ado, let's get started to the first presentation. State of the problem that will be presented by me. This research aims to find out how the use of AI affect teaching for EFL instructors, and especially this research want to find out whether AI can replace human position in teaching in the future. This research aims to find out what teaching aspects are used by EFL instructors by using AI in the teaching process. The method we use is a quantitative method by spreading a questionnaire through Google Forms as a means of collecting data. The results of this study are expected to help provide an overview of the use AI by current AFL instructors and future implication. The next is research question that will be presented by Yuli Fitriani Atmaja. Yuli Fitriani Atmaja, time is yours.
Thank you, moderator. Next is research question. Our group's research question was, how does the use of AI in the teaching process affect EFL instructors? And can AI replace humans in teaching in the future? Maybe that's all. Back to the moderator.
Okay, thank you, Yuli Fitriani Atmaja. The next is methodology that will be presented by Ginanu Latifah. Ginanu Latifah, time is yours.
Thank you, moderator. Methodology. The survey method used by our group for this survey was to distribute questionnaires via Google Forms to collect research data, namely about exploring AI integration in English language teaching, perception of educators, and advantages and challenges to EFL instructors. The survey-taking method uses purposive sampling techniques to target individuals with relevant knowledge or experience. Analysis techniques will most likely include quantitative methods to analyze survey responses and using descriptive statistics to calculate the percentage of participants' responses. That's all from me. Back to moderator.
Thank you, Ginanu Latifah. The next is participants that will be presented by Yuli Fitriani Atmaja. Yuli Fitriani Atmaja, time is yours.
Okay, thank you, moderator. Next is participants. A total of 26 tutors participated in filling out the survey. On average, 35 to 40 years old with male and female demographics, and their background was S1. All participants emphasize a comprehensive perspective regarding the integration of AI in tutoring. Maybe that's all from me. Back to the moderator.
Thank you, Yuli Fitriani Atmaja. The next is findings that will be more presentation by Dea Amelia. Dea Amelia, time is yours.
Alright, thank you to the moderator. Based on the survey result that we have contributed via a questionnaire on Google Form, there are several answers that I have taken from our question that are relevant to this research question. So the first question is, which aspect of teaching do you think AI can improve the most? Where most participants answer lesson planning, which is the range is 30.8%. And the next there are assessment and feedback, which is the range is 23.1%. And personalized learning, which is the range is 19.2%. And also student engagement, which is the range is 15.4%. And the last error correction, which is the range is 11.5%. And the next question is, which AI tool have you found most helpful in your English teaching? Where most participants answer language learning applications such as Duolingo, and also Rosetta Stone, which is the range is 34.6%. And the next there are virtual writing assistant and also chatbots, which is the range is 23.1%. And the last there are text to speech and speech to text tool, which is the range is 15.4%. And the last question is, do you believe AI can replace human English teacher in the future? Where most participants answer no, which is the range is 46.2%, and there are 26.9% with answer is no and not sure. I think that's all. Back to the moderator.
Thank you, Dea Amelia. The last is conclusion and recommendation that will be presented by Siti Zahra Hoirunisa. Siti Zahra Hoirunisa, time is yours.
Thank you, moderator. Next is conclusion and recommendation. The survey, encompassing 26 tutors primarily with bachelor backgrounds and age between 35 to 45, revealed a robust understanding and acceptance of AI integration in education. Notably, the majority of respondents acknowledge AI's potential across various teaching facets, with lesson planning 30.8% and personalized learning 19.2% emerging as particularly promising areas for improvement. Despite the advancement, there remains skepticism regarding AI's capacity to entirely replace human English teachers, with 46.2% dissenting. However, a significant portion, 34.6%, recognize the utility of language learning apps, indicating a willingness to integrate AI tools into teaching practices. As steward of knowledge and guides to students educators, process interesting insight and empathetic qualities that AI cannot replicate. To effectively harness AI's potential in English teachings, educators need to take a proactive approach to professional development. It's essential to adopt a hybrid model where AI complement rather than replace human teachers, leveraging AI for repetitive tasks while preserving the human touch for nuanced interaction and emotional support. By embracing AI technologies truthfully and strategically, educators can enhance their teaching practices and better meet the needs of their students in the evolving landscape of education. That's enough from me. I will back to moderator.
Okay, thank you, Siti Zahra Hoirunisa. I'm sorry everyone for the the internet, and my Zoom is stopped sharing for the last times. So that covers the agenda for our presentation today. Thank you for your time and attention. We appreciate your participation and feedback to help change our work. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.